It'll be fun, they said. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Off to another day, another good video. We got an install today. So if you guys saw, not my last video, but I think it was my last two videos, I did an install on the carbon mirror caps and the sequential turning lights for my boy Rocky's Q50. Now, I want to do that again, but I'm gonna do it on my car. So I found him a set of downpipes. He bought me the mirror caps. He did a little even trade there. So I'm gonna install those on my car, and I'm gonna install the sequential turning signals. Now, I've had problems with mine. Mine are just like really bad quality. I'll show them to you. You can kind of see like right here, like they don't fit good and they just look weird. So I got the cleaner version. So we're gonna get those on. I'll do the install video on those, so it'll be easy for you guys working on your installs. And then let's get the day started. I'm gonna pump out the gym real quick, come back, and then get this install knocked out. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using these sequential turning signals, and we're gonna run the DRLs. We're not gonna run the little bottom light that they use, but we're gonna run these two, and these are the new mirror caps. As you can see, these are a lot different than my old ones. Doing comparison, these are pretty faded and ugly. I really don't like the company anymore that sold me these, so you can see how much better these are. These kind of have like the line right there that accent it. So these are gonna be a lot better, and they're a lot cleaner. Opposed to also, you can see the back, how the back looks versus how the back of this one looks. This one is pretty much just trash. So let's get the tools. So first things first, take your little flathead and you're gonna pry this back piece off. Let me take it off real quick. So once you get this piece off, which is a piece back there, you're gonna expose a 10mm bolt, and you're gonna take that off. Then you're gonna pop this little thing off, and that should be it for just those two. So next, what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna remove this piece from the door panel. It just has a few clips. It's actually pretty hard to get off. So since there's leather on both sides, don't try to pry something in there, because you're just gonna end up ruining your leather. Just stick your hands under it and pull really hard. It's just 3 clips, it's not that bad. But once you've done that, there's a little bolt that you need to take off and unscrew. Once you get this 10mm bolt off, then you can start prying the door panel from the bottom. Okay, you guys, so once you get the door panel off, make sure you pull these off, take all the clips off. And one thing you're also gonna wanna make sure is all of these things that get stuck, if they don't come off on the door, make sure you take them off. Because when you take them off, you need to put them back on the door panel, or else the door panel's not gonna clip in right, and you don't wanna do that in a brand new car. So there's all these little clips. You can see them around the whole thing. So like here, that's the one that I'm missing. So just make sure you take them off and put them back on. So next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna undo all 4 of these bolts on the door speaker, and then there's these 2 clips right here. So when you pull them out, just pull out the clips and the door speaker will pop off. And one thing, don't be an idiot like me. Make sure your window is up, because you need to get back here and get wires, and when the window's down, you can't do that. So I gotta put it back now. Next step, you're gonna pull this cap off. There's a way to do it. You move this mirror all the way. There's a white clip in there that you can reach with a screwdriver. I don't ever do it, to be honest. I just put prying clips in there and I pop it off. This one, this shit is so shitty, I literally just pulled it off like that with my hand. So take this one off, and then what you're gonna do to remove the old light is just one here, one here. You're gonna pry this down, and there's actually 2 more bolts holding it on the bottom. You're gonna have to undo with a Phillips head. GoPro died, so we're gonna use the phone. But pretty much, you're gonna take this off. There should be another one in here somewhere, but you're gonna pop this clip off and then feed it through the top. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pull on this clip, which is connected to the old turning signal. On this side, you're just gonna yank it out. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this one right here, and you're gonna use 2 of these prongs. I'll tell you the specific ones right now. and you're gonna plug them into here. So these two wires that come attached are gonna be the ones that you're using. You're gonna connect them into here. You're just gonna press them in. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the prongs in there. You're gonna do red to red and black to yellow with the black stripe. So once you've fed these wires into here, you kind of just tape it to this and pull it back down. Then you'll be able to access them from here. I went ahead and I didn't want to use the little crappy things that it gave me, and I'm not going to be using this wire. So what I did is I put the power to the white and I put the ground to the ground. And I'm going to also not be using these little pries that they gave us in the kits, just because I don't think these are sturdy. I don't think they're gonna stay in. So what I had bought is I bought some wire taps. So we're gonna be go ahead and using these wire taps on the back of these wires, opposed to those, just because I don't like how not sturdy those feel. Okay guys, so this is the most difficult part. So I had to test all these wires because there's no instructions, and this is honestly one of the shittier installs ever because there's no instructions and they don't tell you anything about anything. So I have this blue wire connected into this purple wire, which is the closest to the clip right here where you take the thing off. I have the black connected to the black. So you're gonna run black to black on here, and you're gonna use the blue wire as power, and this red wire is not gonna be used for anything. So this red, you can take this white wire completely off, but this red wire does nothing. The black one and the blue one are gonna be one that you're using. You connect them, blue to purple and black to black, and then plug everything back in and it should work. All right guys, so check it out. Unlock, you can see the turning signals doing the sequential stuff. When you lock it, does it twice, and when you unlock and open the door, this is what it looks like. They stay on. It's really nice on the Q60 just because this and that, when they're on together, looks so badass. You see exactly what I'm talking about right here. Looks so good. Thank you guys for watching the video. I have a few more videos coming up this week. Just be ready. Follow me on Instagram @AdamUp to get a preview of what I'm filming and a few things that I'm filming before there. But thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you guys later.